I get a little bit closer, I won't be able to hear you. Now the question was just posed, how do I get down a ramp? I simply go down a ramp. When I'm in this configuration, it's really simple. I have one prosthetic on. I don't have my other one on for other reasons, but I have a prosthetic on so I can use this as a brake to a certain extent. I can still do this when I don't have any prosthetics on. When I have no prosthetics on, though, I want to make sure and hold on to my wheels all the time, because if they get loose, I'm going to be in a bind. Okay, I'll just go downhill uncontrollably. But since I have one prosthetic, this works out great, because I can actually stop myself on the ramp using my foot, not using my brakes. I wouldn't rely on that to hold me on a ramp at all. But I can just go down the ramp simply like this. Now, one of the things I would never do is go down a ramp backwards, because it messes up with your center of gravity. It'll be over my back wheels, and I have a really good chance of tipping myself over. Yeah.